Hey guys, it's Amara and this is a quick mini tutorial of how I was able to achieve the Princess Jasmine look I posted on my page. So first I'm going to begin by doing like a rectangular part in the middle of my head. I did a middle part first so that I can make sure to have the two squares on the side nice and even. Then I'm going to do a triangular part right behind that rectangle that I made in the front of my head. So overall I kind of have like a triangle when you combine both of them. So I'm going to put this into a ponytail, and then I'm also going to divide that rectangle in the front into two squares and put that into a ponytail. I am honestly just making up this look as I go. I don't know what I'm doing, but in the end it turned out cute and I got so many requests to make a video. So here's the video for you guys. And once I have my two ponytails in the front, I'm going to go ahead and put some really tight twists in them. And then I'm going to take that twist and pin it back to the triangular ponytail that I have in the back. I'm going to take like a regular hairpin and just pin it back there. You could have also used a rubber band, but I wanted to use hairpins so that I can easily remove them when I want to. So yeah. Since this triangle ponytail is kind of centered, when I do put the twist back, it kind of looked like I've crisscrossed them, which is the look I was going for. Next, I'm going to just do a part kind of surrounding the parts that I already have there. Just a little bit of hair, enough to make a braid. So it will look like a triangle in the end because I have like basically a triangle there already. I'm just going to go ahead and braid that up. I'm going to do this same thing to the other side of my hair. So in the end, I have two braids kind of like surrounding the twists in the ponytail I have back there. You don't see me using much product as I do this style because I already had a lot of product in my hair previously, so I'll just be using a spray bottle to kind of reactivate that product and just keep it moving. I promise this style was honestly so much easier than it looks, and once you see how I put on the ponytail, you'll be like, oh wow, that's it, because honestly it's so simple, it's so easy. Next, I'm going to do a little rectangle part just right above my ear. Kind of braid that to the front towards my face. You can just also do a regular plait for this look, but I just decided to do a braid. I'm going to go ahead and just braid that all the way down and then do it on the other side of my head. Next, it is time for the ponytail. I'm going to take my spray bottle and wet my hair up so it's easier to brush up into this ponytail. I'm just going to put my hair up into the ponytail and get it out of the way so that I can begin applying the gel.
Why don't you ever model for me, Mrs. Kensington?
You know how Mr. Kensington feels about that.
Oh, behave. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Once you feel that you have slicked your ponytail down with the gel as much as you can or as much as you'd like, you can go ahead and begin using a comb to kind of like smooth it back. And then take your hair that's in the puff and put it in some twists. I only did about 3 twists, but I just did enough to try and get my ponytail or my bun to kind of lay flat. So, yeah. After that, you can just go ahead and twist the 3 twists around and put them in a ball and pin them up. Also, in this tutorial, I am using Eco Styler Gel, the olive oil one. And I'm just going to go ahead and slick these edges. Then I'm going to put my hair into a scarf so that I can lay it down as I actually apply my ponytail, which you will see very soon. For this tutorial, I'll be using Bobby Boss's Jumbo Braid Hair. It comes with a rubber band, so I'm just going to take that rubber band and wrap it around my ball that I have there already. Then I'm going to flip the hair over my ball and then put it into a ponytail. I'm using clear rubber bands here. And what I'm going to do is continue to just put ponytails going down the length of this braid hair and kind of pulling the hair out so that I can make a ball. I kind of just tried to do the ponytails the same distance apart from one another, and I continue to do this all the way to the bottom. Actually, when I got to the bottom, I just also made that a ball by like flipping the hair into the rubber band. Next, I'm putting some Eco Styler gel on the ends of my braids so that my hair can curl up. To finish off this look, I'm going to go ahead and put some gold hair accessories in my hair. I got these from the hair store for only $1. Came with about 6 of them. You can get them at your local beauty supply store most likely. And I'm just going to go ahead and add them all throughout the front of my hair. I also found some gold string that I bought a while ago for some braids, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that around the clear rubber bands that I have there so the rubber bands aren't visible. I am honestly just doing this hairstyle as I go. Like, the more things I found I wanted to add, I just went ahead and added it, like these hairpins. I got these gold hairpins from the beauty supply store also. And what I did was just put them crisscross with one another. Just put 2 X's kind of. And make sure they touch so that it can look like they're all kind of connecting like this. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I hope it was easy to follow. And most importantly, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that bell to be notified.